Hi there, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and this is our last video in our series on pain points, and it's really one that I think you'll resonate with, and here's why. One of the biggest things we hear about from our past customers in our reviews, in fact, if you go on Google or Houzz or any of the other platforms right now and go through our reviews, you'll see this over and over again. It's the fact that they really love working with our team. Since 2012, we've been working exceptionally hard to build what we think, honestly, is the best team around for kitchen and bathroom remodeling. Now, during a remodel, it can be a little stressful. We've talked about that before. And one thing that makes it stressful is there's, quite frankly, strangers in your home. Our goal is to enter your job on day one as strangers and as quickly as we can become friends, right? Now, I know that sounds overboard, like, how friendly can you really get with your contractor, right? But it's really important that we treat our customers with respect. And I'm being honest with you here, it's not uncommon for us to hear at the end of the job how customers actually miss our team members being in their home because they get to know them. We do some things with our team members to make sure that our customers are protected. We do background checks, that's really important. We obviously try our hardest to have our team members be long-standing team members, people that have been with us for many years. We have company events where we can get to know our team members even better, and specifically their families. We really try to make a community at Kitchen and Bath Crate, so when we arrive at your home, you feel like you're part of the community as well. So that's one last thing I wanted to mention to you, is the importance of the people in your home being those that you can trust. Thank you so much for walking through these pain points with me. It's been a real pleasure, and I hope that I've been able to express just a little bit about what makes Kitchen and Bath Crate a little bit different than the other guys. Thanks so much.